Yo, I appreciate you clicking on today's YouTube video, and I really hope you enjoy it. It's just a couple of Warzone 3 gameplays, one from Vondell, one from Fortune's Keep. If you want to check out my other socials, they're all linked below. I'm on Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, all that, so check it out. I also have a Discord server. It's really awesome. If you want to see when I'm live, when I'm posting content, feel free to jump in that. That link is also below. Enjoy the video. Happy Easter. God bless.
Want to buy some fruit?
Yeah, so I mean, just prepare to be very tired. Like, I do chest before back because I usually find that I do a little more back. And then I have a little more energy if I do it that way.
Such a bitch. Kill him, kill him, kill him. Right here, right here.
Come on. No, you have a gun too, bro, and those were my guns. Tell me you just ignore that. Give me my shit, gamer. Appreciate you. He left the game. Yo, 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 yo. That's probably what I should go for. That's convenient. I'm dead. Dude. You are a. I shouldn't have said that. That's bad. Come on. Oh, brother, you're ready. Wait. I was gonna say, I literally shot through that kid's legs. Come here, gamer. Come here, gamer. No. Teammate by me. Teammate by me. Teammate by me.
No.
No plates, bro. What do I do? No. How did he shoot me, though? How did this kid shoot me right here? Still a good game. 23. Ooh.
Heading up.
Do these crates cheer every time you open them? That is great. HVT. Oh gosh. That's awfully weird. Where are we swimming?
Oh, you're
Yeah,
a fucking demon for that one.
that is where I'm going. Show me the bodies. Let the bodies hit the floor. Oh, thank you.
Oh, they're here. They're in here.
It doesn't.
Two of them inside. One's down. Other one's cracked. Cracked one.
Come here, kid.
Yeah, but they're fucking insane at this game.
Man, bro, that scared the shit out of me! That's some really good money. All up top there, that's where I should probably go. Oh my. I'm getting you.
There's another team here.
Okay, well I need to loot that kid, so. Peace strike? Peace strike? Oh, brother.
There's people in winery too, be careful.
No.
Cracked them both.
You're down, you're down.
I cracked both of them on top.
No, oh no.
It's on the roof, right?
What the heck?
No. No, I needed one. No! Needed one kill, brother. Yes.
One's down. Oh,
GG's,
fuck,
man. Great game. Great game.
Damn. Yo, shit, 19. You a fucking demon, bro. I wish
Yeah.
I did more to help.
Hey, bro. You were actually like probably the best teammate I played with today. No cap. Actual.
I tried my best, and this is my first game, cold start.
I'd love to see game number 2.
Hey, GG's, bro.
GG's, man. Alright, I gotta piss. That was a great game.